Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. Today I'm going to do something good for myself. I've actually ordered for myself. I always wanted a straightener and wanted to always have some good curls. So I just ordered this because one of my friends said that this is very good. So I ordered this. This is Remington Pro Professional Pearl Ceramic. So let's see how it works out. Let me just unbox it. I have just disinfected it and I just got it, and it looks like this if you want to just see it off. So it's Remington Pro Pearl Ceramic Technology with real crushed pearls, and back it is like this. I'm showing you a full picture so that if you like it and if I give a good review. I don't know, this is my first time trying it. I'm very scared. And here's a pretty lady who is who has shown that she has done the straightener hair and she looks good. So let's see if I can look that good and if I can do a good thing. So let's get started. Let me just open this. So this is the link which I'm sharing. I bought this from walmart.com and now it is $27. Before it was $34. So here I've unboxed it. It came in a good package. So I'll just put this here. So this is how it looks, and I'm in my bathroom right now. It closes well, it flips flops. So here's the plug. I'll be just putting it in the plug. Now it says on it. I'm getting scared to on it. How to on? So now I've on it and it says 370 if you all can see it. It's very hot. I touched it off by mistake. And it says 370. So let's get started. So here I have set up my hair. So I just want to set up only little. I think there's smoke coming out. So I'll just take a bit of hair. So here it is. Oh, it's nice hot. Is it becoming straight? I think I need to divide it in its sections. I'm really looking very like I'm doing it for the first time. I have never done all this before. Oh, wow, it's giving a good heat. Wow, I can feel that they are becoming straight. So now we'll do for this hair. Wow, it's giving good heat. So now I'm ready, and actually I'll be doing sections by sections. I'm actually very happy. It is doing its job well. So I'll just show it once it is done. But actually by now everything is just going so smooth and nice. Oh, I'm so happy. It's really doing its good job. I had so much of curls, but now it looks so good and nice. I'm really very happy. Can you see the difference? I think these people should make me the ambassador and say, wow, you did a good job. They should return my money back. It's really doing its job well. Oh, I'm so happy. It's really doing its job well. I hope you all can see what I'm doing, but I'm very happy. The left side really gave me such a good thing, you know. So I'll just shut down it now. I'll just off it. and I'll comb my hair and see if I can do more well and set it up with my comb. And you all know my favorite comb is this one, so I'll just straighten up more. So I'm very happy actually. Now I don't have any more curls and all. I'm feeling very beautiful to my own self. I really love it. And now I can keep some hairs in the front. I hope you all like it, and this is good. At least I can straighten up my hair. I'm feeling so good. So let me just give a nice hairstyle again. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, it's so cute and nice. How did you all like it, friends? I hope I invested my money well, and I'll share a link from, I'll share a picture that I bought this from walmart.com. I'm really feeling very good. Did you all like it? So it's really very good. Now I've come back to my normal hairstyle. So I'll just take 2 clips and just go. I'll just put 2 clips on my side, and I'll show you that I'm so happy buying this, and I'm glad that I could straighten up my hair. So now this is the final look. I've pinned up my hair, 2 pins in the side if you want to see. This is the just a normal hairstyle, and here it is. I'm so happy. I hope you all like it, and you can even take all the hairs and give it a good forward and just go around and go for any party, go for any get together, and you look so good. This is a simple and yet elegant and hair straightened. I'm feeling so happy. So now I'm home and I have attended the party, and I'm back home. I don't want to leave my hair just like that. I have tied a hair tie over here. So I'm still very happy that my hairs are not all over my shoulder. I can work and have a good thing, and I think it's very good straightened hair. So friends, I hope you liked a little review of this Remington hair straightener. I'm very happy actually. It was very hot. I even burnt my hand because it was my first time using a straightener of here. So I'm very happy, and whenever I have to go for any get-togethers, this will be my favorite look and style. So I'm very happy. So hope you like this video of mine. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.